What?
You're insane. What?
Seriously? It's hot in here.
It is really
Hate
hot.
the sound.
Alright.
Just for like 5 minutes.
Alright, questions? Any questions on yesterday's worksheet?
Killing us there.
Yeah. Take that as a no.
What did it look like?
So,
What number was it?
888.
88?
88. Alright. Just I'll wait a few seconds.
how short? I'll put them on.
If you don't have questions, then pass it up. Please. Feel special. There's two.
Thinking about not doing it in the first period, and then the second period didn't want to do it. So just decided to do it now, I guess. I don't know.
Let's get started. Carboxylic acids. So, this is basically a carbon chain.
Figure out a look.
With a carboxyl group at the end.
Did your boss say anything about us on Friday?
No. She just kept telling me to shut up.
Guys, I hope you know we have fitness and we're gonna die today.
Okay, so carboxyl group looks like this. Carbon, it's got two oxygens on it. One's got a double bond, one's got a single bond. And then whatever else it is. The R is the rest of the chain of carbons, however many there is. So it could be any length depending on which one we're talking about. Yeah, so whenever I give you something new from now on, I'm going to give you a piece that makes it different. And then R is just the rest of the molecule. 1 carbon, 2 carbons, 50 carbons, whatever it happens to be. This is the hydrogen that ionizes, by the way. That's the one that makes it an acid.
Oh gosh. Yeah, that was my part. Oh. I know that's when I mean, I put it in for the first one.
Alright, let's draw some of these. The first one, of course, is going to be called methanoic acid. The common name is formic acid. Common name, yes.
Can you slow down?
No, whenever I hear people talking, I go faster. Formic acid is the old name. It comes from the Latin word for ants, because ants produce formic acid.
Is that an O after the N?
Methanoic. So, that's what I just said. It's ant venom, basically. Methanoic acid is the newer name because now we try to name everything using meth, eth, pro, butte, all these things. So this is going to be 1 carbon. I'm not sure if this is the stuff that the ants leave on their trail or if it's the stuff they use when they blade. I'm not 100% sure about that. What is it? C1H2O.
Did you the answer like made of ammonia or something?
Huh?
Did you the answer made of some type of ammonia?
No.
Wouldn't it be 2O?
Yes, thank you. All right, next one is ethanoic acid. So this one, of course, is going to have 2 carbons. And if if you wanted to draw this the new way, go ahead, Sarah.
Wait, so okay, right here, you're making 2 columns, is what you're trying to say? Like, that's the thing.
There you go.
So what's
Is that good?
So what's that one
what's the
line?
middle one?
It's just a line.
Okay, so you're making 2 columns.
Just pretend it's not there, but write it in there. Just go with it. So if you wanted to draw it the new way, you can do ethane, and then double bonded oxygen, single bonded oxygen with hydrogen. Okay, so I left this blank because I didn't want to draw ethanoic acid the new way. Because it would look kind of silly. It would basically look like this. It's just, there's so little there that it's confusing to look at. So that's why I didn't do it. So for the rest of them, I'll draw it the new way and the other way. If you look at the formula, it's C2H4O2. Does this look familiar?
Oh, is that a
That's ethane.
Nope.
It's an alcohol.
Ethane.
Nope.
Bug spray.
Bug spray, that's right. It's acetic acid.
yeah, that.
You may have seen this a couple times.
Do that.
Acetic acid is in what?
Is it bug spray?
Vinegar.
Oh, but ants don't like bug spray, so it's not. I mean,
It's a
ants
bug
don't like
spray.
vinegar.
All right. Propanoic acid.
So you
Could be
I
3
don't know what to
carbons.
call that.
What I was trying to explain to you guys over here is every day I basically give you just some new end piece that's on the molecule, right? You'll notice these all have the same thing. The only difference from methanoic acid to butanoic acid or another one is that how many carbons are on the end. So that's what the R is. The R is just all the extra carbons, but this is what makes it a carboxylic acid, just this piece.
Does the carboxyl group always have to be on the end?
Yes. Because it has to be on the end because it has 2 bonds to this oxygen and 1 to this one, so there's no way you could have another carbon after it. If we want to draw this a new way, you're going to draw propane, and then pick either end, oxygen, oxygen, hydrogen. And that's going to be C3H6O2. And it's always going to be O2, right? You're always going to have those 2 there. You want me to draw the next one?
Worksheet.
So I need a
This there.
When I do what?
You want my pencil?
V? This? Okay.
It's not working.
This is butane, or propane. 1, 2, 3 carbons.
My one's pen back.
Alright, next one's butanoic acid and pentanoic acid. You get the idea, right?
right.
I guess that's it.
Okay.
So I will stop here. Questions?
And this, all we're doing is adding a double bond to another oxygen.
Just adding 2 oxygens on the end. One's got a double bond, one's got a single bond. It's that easy. I know. You guys can skip 3 and 4 on this worksheet.
5, 6,
Well, no, the
5, 6,
started
and
last
7 are in the
night,
book.
I
You
think
can
they
find
did
them.
today.
And can you turn that off, please? You'll find it. Just look in the index.
Why do you need